Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you a quick way to redeem your Aliexpress coins and save on your orders. First, open Aliexpress and click on your account button at the bottom right corner. Next, select the coins option. This is where all your earned coins are stored. To claim your coins for today, just click on the current day's date. For example, day 2 gives me 30 coins. If you want extra coins, click on Earn More Coins. Then hit the Go button and complete the task shown. Depending on the task, you might earn 1, 5, or 6 coins. Once you have your coins, scroll down the page to see items eligible for coins. Click on a product, then click on the coins or amount button. Click Buy Now, choose your options, and scroll down to see the coin section. Eligible coins will automatically apply to your order. You can adjust how many coins to use, but keep in mind there's a limit per order. Finally, click Place Order to proceed to checkout. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Aliexpress coins. If this helped you save, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.